We're going to tackle the issue of misalignment in your printing process. If you've already ensured your model is sticking to the platform and adjusted your printing speed, but still encountered misalignment, printing stopping midway, or notice belt wear, it means that the belt is too tight and the machine's motor needs to bear too much pressure when running. The pressure gradually accumulates and causes the mismatch of layers. Slowing down the speed can only alleviate it. If you want to cure it, you can try to loosen the belt a little bit. Loosen the 4 screws. During the initial tightening process, a hole is created. Press the motor down with your hand to tighten the belt, and press it up to loosen it. The motor may be restricted from moving due to the hole. Since the belt is secured by this screw, you can resolve the issue by repositioning the screw to the center of the hole. Once adjusted, reinstall the motor. Press the motor upwards and tighten the 4 screws to complete the adjustment of the belt tension. Enter your printer's prepared interface and find Theme of Axis option. Choose X to move the nozzle and Y to move the platform. Initiating movement will lock the X-Y motors. Rotate the button. Now, try to move the platform and nozzle manually. If the hot end component cannot be moved, it indicates that the belt is sufficiently tightened.